In dative case of Russian language, there is a preposition k. Preposition k is mainly used for indicating movement towards or classification towards or behavior towards something, etc. For example, in the accusative case answers the question kuda vi khadili, and the preposition k is used to indicate further ka kamu vi khadili. Kuda vi khadili is a part in the accusative case, and further to it ka kamu vi khadili, that it comes with that is indicated by using the preposition k. Привет, друзья! Добро пожаловать на мой канал. Как я изучаю русский язык? Hi friends, welcome back to my channel How I Learn Russian Language. Now in this video we are going to have some examples of this preposition k in dative case of Russian language. Please keep watching. See, the preposition k in dative case is used to indicate movements towards something or classification or behavior towards something, etc. Now, as a extension of the accusative case and the verbs of motion, k, preposition k is used. Like kuda vi khadili is a part of accusative case, whereas ka kamu vi khadili comes in the dative case. Preposition k is also used in some phrases, etc. Now, these are some examples of the phrases. Okay, blije ka delu means more to the point. Okay, blije ka delu is more to the point. Then blizok ka tseli is close to the goal. Blizok ka tseli is close to the goal. Then обращение к стране is address to the nation, and prizvat к ответу is bring to book. Like this, the preposition k is also used in phrases in Russian language. Now in this video we will particularly see the extension of this ka kamu vi khadili and kuda vi khadili. In that aspect only we will see the preposition ka in dative case in this particular video. Now I have these 10 examples which will clear the concept of ka kamu vi khadili, or the preposition ka in dative case, that is two words. Now the first example is we idiote v policlinicu ka vrachu. Okay, we idiote v policlinicu ka vrachu. Then we idiote v direvniu ka balnamu drugu. We idiote v direvniu ka balnamu drugu. Okay, then v воскресенье мы ездили в город к друзьям. On Sunday we went to the city to our friends. Okay, в воскресенье мы ездили в город к друзьям. Then сегодня я поеду в больницу к зубному врачу. Okay, today I will go to hospital to visit the dentist. К зубному врачу is dentist. Okay. Летом я поеду на родину к отцу и матери. In summer I will go to my motherland or my native place to visit my father and mother. Okay, к отцу и матери. Now Anna пойдет в гости к ее лучшей подруге. Anna will go to her best friend as a guest. Okay, к ее лучшей подруге. Now this is the dative case and this is the accusative case. Я иду в кабинет к директору. Then здесь живет мой друг, я иду к нему. Here lives my best friends and I am going to him. Я иду к нему. See, when preposition k comes with the pronouns in dative case, it changes, like pronoun on changes to emu in dative case, and pronoun ana changes to a. Now when preposition k comes with these pronouns, it becomes k nemu for emu or on, and for ana it becomes k nei. A becomes ka ne and emu becomes ka nemu. Similarly, the pronoun ya becomes mane in dative case, and when the preposition k comes with it, it becomes ko mane. Okay, towards me or towards him, towards her, like this. Similarly, Maria живет в общежитию, к ней приехал ее брат. Maria живет в общежитии, Maria is living in the hostel, and к ней приехал ее брат. To her, okay, her brother arrived to her. Like this. Вчера у меня были гости, они приехали ко мне 6 часов. Yesterday I have some guests and they arrived to me at 6 o'clock. At 6 o'clock. They arrived at me at 6 o'clock. Like this. I have some more examples here. Я подошел к незнакомому человеку и спросил, где находится университет. Now here ya padashol is a part of accusative case. Ya padashol, I approached. Shol, shla, shli, that is the past tense of itti. Okay, padashol is to approach. Okay, я подошел к незнакомому человеку и спросил, где находится университет. Девушка подошла к нам и спросила, где находится станция метро. Then The last example is या खचू पकाजात स्वय रिसुनक इजवेस नमू खुदोजनिपू कमू इजवेस नमू खुदोजनिपू. I want to show my paintings to इजवेस नमू खुदोजनिपू. Завтра я поеду к нему. Tomorrow I will go to him. In this way the preposition к is used in the dative case. This is all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel How I Learn Russian Language. Thank you very much.